Navi.
Hello. Hello, teacher.
How are you, Navi?
I'm good.
Okay, that is good to know. So now we will only practice on answering whether you prefer reading on your iPad or reading on your book. Okay, just like what your mom said.
You changed the place you study.
No, I did not, Navi. Wait, let me copy this one first in my Word. By the way, do you know
Oh,
Emma?
Emma.
Yeah.
What is Emma?
Oh, you don't know her English name, maybe.
Google, do you know Emma?
Okay, for a moment, Navi, I'm copying it. Okay, for a moment. Let me share my screen. Because she is a student of my sister, Navi, and she told me that you two are best friends. And she is teaching, um, she is your mom's student in math.
Oh, I know. She.
Oh,
I
this is
know.
long. Okay, we'll practice this one now, Navi. Can you see it clearly? Is it big?
Yes.
Okay. So I will set a timer, right?
Yes.
It has to be 12 minutes or, yeah, not more than that. Okay, so let us start.
Teacher, my mom said it just had me 2 minutes, not to be 12,
Yes.
2 or 3.
Oh, okay,
No,
two or three.
no more, and
No
no,
less, not
no,
less.
no less.
Okay, okay. So we'll have this one. Okay, are
Can
you
you
ready?
open the clock?
Yes, I have my phone here, Navi. Okay, so we will start. Three, two, one, go.
Reading on an iPad or reading on the paper book. Hello everyone, my name is Vahan Tavi. Reading is more of my favorite hobby. Books help me learn new things, improve my English, and travel to wonderful world thoughts stories. Today, I would like to share my thoughts about reading in on a pad or reading on the paper book. Now,
Nowadays,
nowadays, nowadays, there are many there are many reading apps for children. Some have interesting stories, colorful pictures, and exciting fun
fun.
activity. I enjoy the exploring different ways of reading, but my favorite reading app is Bookcase. What makes Bookcase special than bringing to life? The book is not only for reading; it also have a beautiful animal,
Animation,
animal
animations.
animation, animations, sounds, and interactive activities. When I read a story on the bouquet, I feel like I'm a part of the
Adventure.
adventure. One of the future I especially love in a loud book and formats. I only listening to bouquet stories and before going to bed. Stories help me distract by busy and make bedtime more enjoyable. While listening, I can learn about vocabulary and poetry my protection, and I become
Better.
a better English learner. I also enjoy some quiz and games after reading. Then help me understand the story better. Remember what I have learned because it's the future. Reading English feels fun and exciting instead of difficult. However, I also love paper books. This is something special to hold a real book in my hand. Turn the page, sees my favorite book in a bookshelf. Paper books help focus and enjoy quiet reading time. Some of happens moments they're spent like reading a good book with family. For me, paper books are distract both together or both im- important. I do not think we should choose only one. This bouquet like make reading activity and enjoy the white paper books help our build strong and reading habitats. Thank you so much for listening. Goodbye.
Okay, so I stopped the timer already, Navi, and it's 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Is that okay?
Na, na ơi, nangyay kayo, kaya.
Well, I think it's because you are not still familiar with some of the words, Navi. That is why.
No, we need to make it's a smaller one.
Yes, and
Smaller.
see, we're not even done, Navi.
Teacher, my mom says we need to change to 2 minutes 30. You change the book.
Oh, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh, okay. So you must read it quickly because, as you can see, Navi, we only read until here. But see, we still have this one.
But my mom said we need to put the smaller one because when I read fast, it will be just like 3 minutes, 10, 3 minutes, 9, and more than.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's why we have two. Wait. Yeah, I think you are not yet familiar with some of the words, Navi. That is why. But yeah, if you read it again and again, you can read it with more confidence.
There, there, 1, 2, 3, 3 page.
No, only two. Only
Hmm,
two. See, only two.
but I know, but it's so long.
No, it's not long, Navi.
Can you read it?
Okay, I will read it for you, okay? And I'll set a timer too. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Reading on an iPad or reading paper books. Hello, everyone. My name is Vuong Thauvi. Reading is one of my favorite hobbies. Books help me learn new things, improve my English, and travel to wonderful worlds through stories. Today, I would like to share my thoughts about reading on an iPad and reading paper books. Nowadays, there are many reading apps for children. Some have interesting stories, colorful pictures, and fun activities. I enjoy exploring different ways of reading, but my favorite reading app is Bookar. What makes Book R special is that it brings stories to life. The books are not only for reading, they also have beautiful animations, sounds, and interactive activities. When I read story on Book R, I feel like I am part of the adventure. One feature I especially love is the audio book function. I often listen to Book R stories before going to bed. The stories help me relax after a busy day and make bedtime more enjoyable. While listening, I can learn new vocabulary, improve my pronunciation, and become a better English learner. I also enjoy the quizzes and games after reading. They help me understand the story better and remember what I have learned. Because of these features, reading English feels fun and exciting instead of difficult. However, I also love paper books. There is something very special about holding a real book in my hands, turning the pages, and seeing my favorite books on my bookshelf. Paper books help me focus and enjoy quiet reading time. Some of my happiest moments are spent reading on a good book with my family. For me, paper books and digital books are both important. I do not think we should choose only one. Reading apps like BookArm make reading interactive and enjoyable, while paper books help us build a strong reading habit. So, if you ask me which one I prefer, I would say I enjoy reading on an iPad a little more because BookR makes English learning so much fun. But I will always love paper books too, whether it is a paper book on my bookshelf or book or story in my headphones before bedtime. Reading always brings me joy and help me learn something new every day. I believe the most important thing is not how we read, but that we keep reading every day and never stop learning. Thank you for listening. It's 2 minutes, Navi. 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Okay, can you? I said my mom said we need to do 30.
Yes. So you have to read it more quickly than I did.
No, you must make the books make smaller.
Make it shorter?
Yes.
Yes, I believe it is too long as well, Navi. Okay. But I'm not really familiar with Book R, Navi. Wait, let me see what I can do. How many times did you read this one, Navi?
3:43. 3 minutes 43.
No, how many times did you read it today?
Today, I don't know. The first time.
Oh, it's the first time.
You
Okay. Wait, let me see what I can do. Okay, let me share my screen again, Navi. Let me see. Okay, can we try this one, Navi? Wait. Wait, what happened? Okay, so let's try this one, Navi. Okay, let us try, Navi. Can you read it? Okay. Let us start, Navi. Let us start. 3, 2, 1, go.
Reading on. Can you go again? Can you put again?
Okay, wait. Okay. Again, Navi. 3, 2, 1, go.
Reading on an iPad or reading on a paper book. Hello everyone, my name is Vahan Tabe. Reading on a favorite books hobby help me learn new things and improve my English and enjoy wonderful things. Today I want to share my thoughts with reading on an iPad and reading on a paper book. My favorite reading app is Bouquet. It brings stories to life and animation, sounds, and animatic activity. When I read, I feel I'm like a part of an
Adventure.
One adventure I especially love in the audio books. Fashion, often listening to stories before bedtime. I help my relic
Relax.
relax and learn to my vocabulary. It a proof of my protector. I also enjoy quiz and games after reading because they help me understand and remember stories better. And the future make learning English and fun exciting. However, I love paper books. Hold a real book turning the page. The and reading with me with my family. My special expect paper books help me respond enjoy
Okay.
quiet reading time. For me, both digital books, paper books are important. Books can make reading active and enjoyable, while books, paper, and books and help build strong reading habitats. If you ask me which I favor, I would choose an iPad a little bit more because Bouquet is learn to listening so much fun. I always love paper book too. I believe most important things do not how we read, but we need to keep reading every day and never stop learning. Thank you so much for listening. Goodbye.
Okay, that's a lot better, Navi, but I know you can do better. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, so you can do better than that, Navi. There are lots of words that are new to you. That's why it's stopping you from smoothly reading the text. So we have to keep practicing, okay? So again, Navi, you have to relax, okay? In here we have hobbies, Navi hobbies. Reading is one of my favorite hobbies, okay? Improve my English. We also have animations, Naveen. Okay? So, let's practice again. By the way, this is pronunciation. Pronunciation. Okay, you are not listening. Okay, let's continue. When you don't know the word, Navi, you have to slow down. Okay, now let us start again. Okay, 240. Let us see if that will continue or you'll be able to read it the same way. Okay?
Teacher, what is this word?
Which one? Where? Audiobook? This one? Okay.
No, no, the future, but I don't know why it's come here.
Okay, which one? This
Let
one?
me do it again. No, not that one.
This
Let me
one?
erase. No, that one is this one. Two
Oh,
is this
adventure.
one.
Adventure.
Three is this
Okay.
one.
Okay.
4 is this one. Five
Mm-hmm.
is
Which
five
one?
is
Where? This one? Oh, okay. Just those, Navi?
yes. I don't know
Okay.
what is that word.
Okay, so we have here animations. Okay, let me erase it for you. Animations, Navi. Animations. Can you say animations?
Animation,
Interactive. Interactive.
interactive, interactive,
Adventure. Adventure.
adventure, adventure,
Especially.
especially,
Vocabulary.
vocabulary,
Audiobook.
audiobook. Teacher, what is
Pronunciation.
an audiobook? What is an audiobook?
An audiobook, Navi, it is a book that provides you an audio that you can listen to about that story. Like, for example, instead of you reading the text, the audio itself will
Like this
read.
one, well, like this one is like a paper,
Mm-hmm.
like a paper like this, and you put
Mm-hmm.
it, and you put it. Wait a minute,
Where are
and
you
you
going to put it in?
put it in, and when we turn on, they were listening to. We can listening.
No, that is a CD, Navi. That is a CD.
But what is an audio book?
An
Can I?
audiobook, Navi, is often found online.
Um,
Okay. Yes,
can
wherein you will
I?
just listen.
Teacher.
Hi, Navi. We only learn for 25 minutes today. So we will now continue. Okay, we'll continue. Again.
But I don't know what is that. I mean, in Vietnam.
Okay. Let me transfer.
Sách nói.
Oh, I know.
Okay, so now let me share my screen again. Okay, so let us practice one last time, Navi, before we end. Because we only have 25 minutes today. Okay, I'll set my timer now. Ready or not, Navi? 3, 2, 1, go.
Reading on iPad or reading on a paper book. Hello everyone, my name is Vahan Tabi. Reading books are one of favorite hobbies. Help me learn new things and improve my English and enjoy my wonderful stories. Today, I would like to share my thoughts on reading on an iPad and reading on paper books. My favorite reading app is Bookie. It brings stories with live information and sounds and activity. When I read on Bookie, I feel like I'm a part of an attitude. Uh, the future of my expected love on the audio book. Interesting. Often listening to stories before bedtime help me re- re-
Relax.
recess,
Relax.
relax, and learn new vocabulary, improve my
Pronunciation.
pronunciation. I also enjoy my puzzle and game quiz and games. Also reading because they help me understand and remember the stories better and future makes learning fun uh, exciting. However, I also love paper books and hold real books. Turn to page reading with my family and special better. The paper books help me respond and enjoy the quiet reading time. For me, both textbooks or paper are important books. Make reading with texture and enjoyable. Why? Well, paper books help build strong reading habitat. But if you ask me which one I fear, I would choose the reading on an iPad a little more because Book K is learning English so much, and but I will always love paper books too. I believe most important note how we read, but we need to keep reading every day, never stop learning. Thank you so much for listening. Goodbye.
Okay, 2 minutes and 35 seconds, Navi. Okay, so now our time is up, Navi, but I want you to practice it again and again, okay? I will send this one in the group, or you can copy it right now.
Teacher, we when the first one is 34, but the next one is 214 and now it's 235.
Yes, which is really good, right? Okay, so you can copy it. Navi, I sent it in the chat. And yes, you have to
No,
continue.
not that chat. I have my mom.
Okay, I will message it to your mom. Okay, so please continue reading it, Navi, okay? Especially the difficult words. Okay? Do you hear me, Navi?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so please do your best in pronouncing those words, Navi. Thank you so much. Goodbye, Navi.
Goodbye, teacher.